It's crazy what happens with manifestations when you learn to shift out of needy energy with the right tools. I woke up this morning to an email from a client saying that she wanted to manifest an encounter with her ex. She applied the tools that I teach her, and then she said, I manifested exactly what I visualized. The encounter was even better than she visualized it. He actually told her that he hasn't been able to date anyone after her, that he loves her, he misses her so much. She was there with a friend that didn't know them together as a couple, and the friend said to her, who is this guy? He's so in love with you. I could see it in his eyes. Babe, this is what happens when you learn to shift out of needy energy and into your queen magnetic energy. Things shift fast. Here's the 3 things that she did that I teach clients every single day. Number 1, learn to release needy energy. You need the proper tools in order to work through those triggers and get out of that neediness, that fear, that worry, that anxiety. Number 2, upgrade your belief systems to become a match, an energetic match to that which you want. Number 3, raise your self-worth. Own your queen magnetic vibe. Know what you deserve at your core and watch how everything you want comes to you. You can absolutely shift this.